The body scan. In the body scan meditation, we systematically bring our attention to felt sensations in each part of the body. This practice enables us to notice tension and let go, which can often help us to relax. But if you don't feel relaxed, don't worry. The aim is to simply be aware of what is. The body scan meditation is an opportunity to practice non-judgment. We may notice pleasant sensations or unpleasant sensations. There may be areas of the body with no sensations at all. None of this is right or wrong, it just is. See if you can observe with curiosity.
What follows is a guided meditation. Please do not listen whilst driving or operating machinery. Please only listen when it is safe to do so.
Find a comfortable lying or sitting position. Most people find that the practice is best done lying down. If you are lying, make sure that you're lying on something comfortable, such as your bed or a yoga mat. It is good to have a cushion to support your head that is at the right height for your neck. Make sure that you are warm enough. Perhaps have a blanket nearby. Usually this is done lying on the back with the legs outstretched. If you have a lower back difficulty, then it can help to bend the knees and have the feet flat on the ground or bed. However, the most important thing is to listen to your own body and find a position that works for you. And if you need to move, just do so. The meditation. Begin with a broad sense of the whole body, particularly noticing contact with the ground. Allow your weight to sink into your support so that you have a sense of being grounded. Notice the felt sensations of the breath without controlling or forcing, but allowing the breath to be an anchor for the rest of the practice. Then take your awareness to each part of the body in turn and notice the sensations that you feel. You may begin at the toes and work your way up, or start at the head and work your way down. As with all mindfulness practices, there is no right or wrong way to feel. If you become aware of tension in the body, see if you can let it go, or imagine the muscles relaxing and softening. If you become aware of pain or discomfort, see if you can soften any of the tension that you might be holding around that pain, and be curious about the sensation, with kindness and interest, rather than blocking against the feeling. You might wish to explore using the breath to soothe. If you don't feel any sensation at all, that's fine too. What is important is simply to be aware. There is no right or wrong way to feel. If you become distracted, this means that you are human. When you notice a distraction, this is a moment of awareness. Take this opportunity to gently bring your awareness back to the body. If sensations are pleasant, see if you can appreciate them. We often take pleasant aspects of our lives for granted, so take this opportunity to savour the simple but pleasant experiences. What follows is a guided version of the body scan meditation with some background music.